In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find your Minecraft screenshots in just a few seconds. Before we get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But when you're in game, all you have to do to actually take a screenshot is actually just hit F2 and it'll take that screenshot for you. I've already taken a few of these, so I'm not going to take any more. But to actually find it, go ahead and exit out of Minecraft or just minimize Minecraft and find the search bar at the bottom of your screen and go ahead and type in %appdata% and hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. What you're going to want to do is find the folder within this that says .minecraft. Open it up, and within here, you're going to see a section for screenshots. Just scroll down, select the screenshots tab, and boom, as you can see right here, this is going to be all of your screenshots that you've taken in Minecraft. It really is as simple as that. The newest ones are going to be towards the bottom or all the way on the right, but you can also see exactly when they were taken, the size, and of course, any other relevant information, and you can edit them, post them, or send them to your friends. Easy as that. If you do have any questions, just ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But before you guys do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.